Hello everybody. As we created some folders in previous video, we just forgot to create one very important folder, which is the folder of images for images. So we need to create that as well. Just create the new folder and I will name it images. And this folder will be for the general images, some images like we use formally in the design of the layout or the designing of the website. For example, the logos, the banners, the background images, and similar stuff like that. So we'll put all those images in this folder. And after that, we will be actually adding the more pictures, that the news pictures or we use in post. For those images we will create another folder inside the main folder, but now this is the main root directory, or you can say the main folder. So inside this images folder we'll put some images which we will later on use in this project. So I have some images over here. I will give you these images with the project. For example, I have an image with the name add banner, one BG body, BG header, some icons, and a logo. These images we'll use in the design of this project. So I have copied them and just will paste them here by using Ctrl V. So you can see all of the images I have copied right over here and pasted over here. So we'll use these images. These are very necessary images for the layout, and we are creating the website for a news based website. Like I will show you this again. Localhost. This is basically our website which we are going to create from scratch. What this website is about news. For example, you want to create a news website. For example, you want to create a blogging website. For example, you want to create your own platform or news hub or something like that, where you can just publish your content, post your people can comments on your post and can visit your website. So all this kind of websites you can make by taking idea from this project. So this is the news website. Basically we have a logo over here, a banner over here, and a menu. In the menu we will be inserting the categories straight from our database, and this will also be dynamically coming from database, and the posts are also coming from the database, and all other things we will design and will create ourselves by writing codes and everything. So this is because you should be clear before starting that what you are going to create. So what you are going to create in front of you can see this thing we will be creating, and after we create this we will also be creating an admin panel for it, and we'll be working more on it. So let's start. You need to open Dreamweaver CS5. Just create a new file, a new PHP file. This is the new PHP file, and first of all save it by using Ctrl S, or from the file menu go to save. You will save it inside the folder called MyCMS. Here it is inside our htdocs. That is the folder inside the C drive and inside the XAMPP. So you will click this MyCMS, and inside the main root you will save this file as index. Name it index.php. .php means this file will be a PHP file, so it will be executed by the server, and server will understand it that it is a PHP file, so it will execute the codes inside it, or the scripts, the PHP scripts. So the index.php is actually your main page. Whenever you visit a folder on online server or offline server, so you see the index page is the default page, which is rendered automatically by the browser. So that's it. Is save it, and now just inside the body tag you can see over here the body tag. First of all, we will change the title. We'll say news platform. After that, in the body tag, I will just, for example, insert an h1 tag and saying that hello world. In h1, I will close h1 tag. I will save it, Control S. Now come to your browser and just write how you will access this page that you just created, you saved it, and the simple coding you can see over here. So you can access this page by using your local host, because this is not an HTML file or HTML page. Because if this was HTML page, then you didn't require a web server or local server to execute it or to see it. But when it is PHP file, so you require a server to see this page or to view this page. So just you will write localhost on your browser. Localhost means that this is the local host. This is the server inside your computer. So when you write localhost and click, so it shows you the main interface of localhost. However, we don't need this XAMPP setup over here. We need that folder which we can call, I mean our folder that we have created inside the htdocs, which we can access from here. So inside that folder htdocs, we have a folder called MyCMS. So we will write that. After that, just enter. So after you enter, this automatically detected the the index page, index.php, and the result is in front of you, hello world, which we have written over here like hello world, and you can see the title of the page is a news platform. So this was just to let you know that we have created the first page, the index.php, and the real work and the real efforts on this project we will be putting from next tutorial, and we will be taking it to the next level. We will start working on it from next video, practically. So you can wait till that. See you soon.